Hello and welcome to this Ramp Gamesheet app login tutorial. To use the Ramp Gamesheets app, you must download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store by searching for Ramp Gamesheets. Once downloaded, you will be able to log in with your email address and password if you have used the Ramp Gamesheets or TMAP product in the past. If you have not used either of those products, you can hit the register button to enter an email address, password, confirm your password, and display name before hitting the register button. You will be emailed a verification code to finalize your account creation at that time. If you need additional help with verification of your account, you can reach out to support at rampinteractive.com. If you have a login and can't remember your password, hit the Forgot Password button to enter your credentials and hit Send Reset Password. If you have a password reset code already, hit the I have a code button, and you'll be able to enter your credentials and the code from an email. If you have your account credentials ready, you can enter them here under the email and password field to sign into the app. After signing in with your login credentials, you'll have access to the Gamesheets app to add game codes, manage games, and update your profile via the Gamesheet app. To add games, use the game codes field at the top of the page and enter the 9 or 13-digit game code. And to access games, you can scroll down on the page to select any games you have previously entered to manage those games there. To leave a game you've entered, hit the back button at the top of the page. You have access to additional settings in the top right corner. To add a team code, if you're a team manager or coach. To add an official code, if you are an official, that is using the Ramp assigning platform. Or to access your profile, support, or log out. Your profile allows you to update information about you in the Gamesheet app, while support allows you to reset app data or contact Ramp support directly. You can also reach out to Ramp support at support@rampinteractive.com or 866-607-7267. If you have questions about how your league would like you to use the Gamesheet app, please reach out to your league directly about that information, as leagues have differing rules on how they would like you to use the Ramp Gamesheet app product. If you have questions about the functionality of the Ramp Gamesheet app, please refer to the tutorials in the description of this video for full information on entering a game's details, using the home and away code, or entering details as an official. Thank you for watching this Ramp Gamesheet app tutorial.